After repeated demands from Congress party, Goa government led by BJP has failed to include all the selected films of IFFI 21, Goan selected films, in the official section of IFFI. And they have failed to give some assistance under Goa Film Finance Scheme to all the selected films. Many students aspiring to make film industry as their career are associated with these films. The students' participation in the selected films are at large. Some are actors, some are singers, dancers, photographers, videographers, etc. So due to COVID-19, these students have faced lot of problems. So if government gives some assistance to the film producers, then it will help a lot to all the students. So NSU at Goa gives a deadline of 2 days to ESG and this government to give some financial assistance to all the selected films under Goa Film Finance Scheme and screen this selected film in the official section of IFFI. If our demands are not met, then we, NSU at Goa, will protest with all the students associated with the films at the IFFI venue.